Hello guys, it Sounds here, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to remove green screen from your videos using CapCut. Let's hop in. First of all, you just open your CapCut app, click on new project. I have my videos on Sounds Visual, so I'll go to Sounds Visual. Here, this is it. So you import the video you want to use as your background. I want to use this video as my background, so I'll import it. Then mute the video. You click on this effect here, then you click on video effects, then you scroll down. Once you scroll down, you see blur. This blur here, you tap on blur, then you can reduce it to any amount you want, but I would love to leave it at 35. Then you drag it to the end of your video. The next thing to do is just to leave this place, then tap on this overlay. Once you tap on overlay, I'll be using this green screen. So this video is to teach you how to remove green screen from your footage and add background. So what I'll just do here now is to crop it and take it to the position where I want it to be. I can decide to leave it at this edge of the video, just like this. The next thing to do is to tap on the overlay, then scroll. You'll see this remove BG, that is remove background. Tap on it, then click this ChromaKey. Once you click on the ChromaKey, you drag it to this screen, then you increase it. I always leave it at 70, then increase the shadow a bit. If you observe very well, you see that there are green shadows around her. So what you just do is to click on it, go to adjustments. Once you're in adjustment, you look for HSL. Drag the saturation of the green down. If you observe very well, it's now better. Then you have your video done. Then you can cut your video at this place. Once your video is okay, you click on the export button. This is how your video will look like once you are done. If you're able to learn from this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and share it so that YouTube will push it to more people.